Equipment failure can happen on any day of the week and at any time, which is where conventional business hours can become a problem. Our eMotors Direct website is here to provide a 24/7 service unique to our industry. The goal for eMotorsDirect.ca is to give our customers the opportunity to shop and order the inventory they're looking for at any time of the day and week. Our website is equipped with easy-to-read information and inventory to make all your online shopping quick and easy. eMotorsDirect.ca is here to fill a need in our customer industry to quickly search and purchase your items, no hassle, no problem. We have access to over 75 million in inventory and can drop ship from across 30 warehouses in 6 different cities within Canada. Our online inventory has over 20,000 active products and over 30,000 legacy items that include industrial motors, gear reducers, controls, and accessories with specs all available online. The search feature, item cross-references, and filters have all been made simple and available to everyone. Our site also has a web chat feature in case you have any questions for our staff who bolster more than 30 years experience in the industry. If you have questions or concerns whether you have the right product, feel free to give us a call to talk to one of our professionals. You can also visit our Knowledge Center for general information on motors, controls, and basic upkeep tips. At eMotors Direct, we are the future for purchasing industrial parts and motors.